in terms of validation, if you've got a big range bar with above average volume that closes in the top 80% of the range or the top half of the range, then all is good. And in that moment, whatever that moment is, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, then you should do your best to let it run. And similarly, if you've got low volume and a very small range, that's also good. That's fine. So small result, small effort. That's good. Everything's in sync. Now, where you get a non-validation is that if you get a big bar on low volume. Now, that can happen easily at a breakout, and it can happen easily at the end of a trend where the price keeps running on low volume. Now, let's look at the housing market at the moment, certainly in the UK, and from discussions with Kathy in the US as well. We've got a situation where prices are rising and volumes rising. I don't know what it's like in Denmark. Now, sooner or later, you'll find that volumes will stay up there and prices will go flat. That's the next step, and that can happen very quickly. So we'll get if you examine the results carefully, you're going to get a non-validation between the volumes of homes sold and the prices. At the moment, everything's going rosy, but it changes very quickly indeed at the top of a market. That's the next step. Just watch out for that, any of you that are involved in property. Just look at the monthly stats. At the minute, volumes are rising, prices are rising. Certainly in the UK, that's the case. The next step will be that volumes stay up there, but prices just don't go. In other words, you get a flood of sellers into the market. All that volume can't push the price up anymore. And then all of a sudden you get a turn. That's a non-validation, happens in every market. So now, this is an interesting one. And this happens frequently at the end. And this is what many traders call a volume climax, where you get lots and lots of volume and no movement. And that's the next step in the housing market, in my opinion. Now, what's happening here? Now, this is going to be easy for the Danish people. Let's say that you're in your car on a miserable, cold night, right? And there's lots of snow around. And you're going up a hill. Use your mind's eye here. You're going up a hill, and you put foot, as they say in South Africa, and you're moving up, and all of a sudden, the wheels start to spin on the ice. Yeah? And you put foot again, and you go a little bit further, but you can't make any traction. And then you put foot again, but it doesn't matter how hard you put your foot, you slide back. And that's what's called a volume climax. Lots and lots of volume, no action in the price. I think that's probably 1/4 to 2/4 away in the housing market, in my humble opinion.